Hey everyone, this is Lorraine Hanna. I took my exercise from the book. I believe that's where I'm supposed to get it, and I was assigned exercise 3-5. The instructions are to prepare an income statement and a retained earnings statement for August, and also prepare a classified balance sheet at August 31st, 2017. They give us a tabular analysis in exercise 3-4. I put that on my Excel already just for ease. They give us the calculation for accounting, which is assets equals liabilities and stockholders' equity, and then they extend that into common stock plus retained earnings equals stockholders' equity and expand it even further, saying revenue plus minus expenses minus dividends equals retained earnings. I already added everything here at the bottom, just so it will help simplify everything. But as you can see, I just summed all of these, and in some cases there was only one, but I still put it here just so it would be easy to find. I also added up all my assets and all of my liabilities and stockholders' equity. As you can see, they are highlighted just to make sure that everything's in balance before I start preparing my statements and find out that something is wrong. So, starting with my income statement, our revenues, we only have one, which is service revenue, and that is $9,500. And then we have several expenses. Our rent expense is $800. Our salary expense is $3,000, and the utility expense is $300. I do want to note that all of my expenses are already written in negatives, so in my formula I've added my revenues and my expenses because my expenses is already a negative number. If I wanted to subtract it, then I would make sure that all of these numbers would be positive first. So just to give you an example, if I forgot to make these positive and I subtracted them anyway, I would be overstating my net income at $13,600. So my retained earnings, you take the net income that we just got, and we grab the dividends, which is $2,000. Then we want to plug in our assets as well. This is one of those that it's important to have added everything up. Otherwise it would get really confusing. Our accounts receivable and our supplies. These are total current assets, but to get our total assets, we still need to plug in our plant, property, and equipment. We just have equipment, and there's no given accumulated depreciation. So we have $26,200, and if we see we have $26,200 here, and then we also need to plug in our liabilities. So we've got our account payable, and then our stockholders' equity. Our common stock is already given to us, which is $20,000, and then our retained earnings. So as we can see, our assets do equal our total stockholders' liability and equity, and that's how you convert the data from a I just forgot what it's called, but how you get it from this table and make it into your statement.